Hello guys, good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel with my name Yukal Pachori. As you all know that I do post videos related to different technical topics and different general topics. So let's continue the series today and I'm continuing with the part 2 of the review of Electronics for You magazine for the June 2025. This is the second part of the video. The first part of the video is already uploaded and it got good number of views and I was able to delight that people are watching the review of Electronics for You magazine for a good number of views. So it is motivating me to create more such videos. Hence, this is the part 2 of the video. So let's start the video and let me share my screen with you all. So and this is the, Electronics for You. We have done up till now. This is Winrox. Winrox is the company dealing in the field of PCB components, turnkey PCBA, turnkey box build. So these are the components that are people are working on. So let's start the article for this particular second part. This is a LoRa transceiver for AI-enabled edge devices. Semtech Corporation has launched LR2021, the first chip in LoRa family. The transceiver, which incorporates fourth generation LoRa IP, supports both terrestrial and SATCOM networks in the sub-gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz ISM bands and licensed S-band. So it is licensed as the S-band. It is backward compatible with previous LoRa devices, ensuring LoRaWAN, ensuring, just give me 1 second so that I can check out the details that I'm writing. LoRa transceiver. LoRa transceiver. Yeah. 650 bidirectional GaN fast and ISCO fast gate driver. So they have developed some gate driver ICs. So let's check out what is they have developed. Navitas Semiconductor has launched the first 60-volt bidirectional GaN fast ICs, ISO fast gate driver ICs. So this is a gate driver ICs. IC means integrated circuits. These ICs can change how power systems are designed by allowing a shift from a two-stage to a single-stage setup. So they can shift from two-stage to single-stage setup. They are used in areas such as EV charging. So they are used in EV charging, solar inverters, energy storage systems, and motor drivers. So everyone knows what is solar inverters, what are energy storage system, and what is motor driver. So they are used in such applications related to these. And just read more. Bidirectional GaN fast power IC function like two GaN switches placed back to back. They are single chip designed with shared drain, two gate control, and built-in substrate clamp. This technology enables single stage bidirectional switch. So it is a BDS. BDS means single stage bidirectional switch. Bidirectional switch is BDS converter supporting the move from two-stage single stage design. This lead to improvement, efficiency, power density, performance, reduced cost system, and complexity. And if you want to dig in more about this 650 volt bidirectional GaN fast and ISO fast gate driver IC, you can go into the website of Navi Semi.com. navitasemi.com. You can go onto the website. The website is just opening. You can click in more details about from this particular website. So that's it. That's it about this particular article. Now moving on to the next article. Battery made from aloe vera for greener future. So this is a very good article. I think I must highlight this article. The article is highlighted. Now what the article says that battery, like battery, we all know what is battery, made from aloe vera for greener future. So they have developed some battery from aloe vera. Aloe vera is a kind of a stem of a plant by which it is also used in beauty products as well by the ladies and by the gentlemen also. So now they have developed batteries from the aloe vera for a greener future. So let's read the article. The Aloe E-Cell has developed a battery made from aloe vera. This reduces e-waste. It can reduces the e-waste, supports farmer, involves women in clean technology. It allows a circular economy model by turning used battery into plant fertilizers. It replaces 60% of the toxic material used in regular battery. Aloe vera works in battery as an electrolyte and binder. Aloe E-cell uses no chemicals like mercury. It does not use chemicals like mercury or cadmium, replace plastic with materials like paper. So they have replaced plastic with a paper and last up to 1.5 times longer than regular battery. So they are 1.5 times life more than the regular batteries. Made from plant-based ingredient, it is safe for environmental and renewable. It is safe for environment and it is renewable. These batteries also have self-generating property, reducing the need for additivities. So they have the self-generation capabilities, and more important, they are built from a green plant like Arula. So it is a good blessings for the nature. And those people who wants to work in this particular field can dig in more about this Aloe Vera batteries, which are 1.5 times longer than the regular batteries. And if you want to know more, you can go into the website LUECell, www.luecell.com. This is the website is mentioned over here. Now say hello to Hello. What is Hello? The new K4 digital inspection system for vision engineering, new EVO CAM Hello combines 4K image quality with advanced adaptive illumination, new intelligence softwares empowering you to capture even the most elusive details with a unparalleled accuracy. So this is a accuracy device. What is for? It is for vision engineering. Like suppose if you want to see the details of any object and you want to work on that, then you can have such system which can provide vision engineering with the name of the company name as Hello. So they have a lot of features like these: one, two, three, four, five, six. They have six features. They are offering 4K revision, super wide dynamic range, advanced illumination range, intelligent software and hardware, 360 direct oblique viewer, real-time insights. So these are the features of this particular vision engineering Quality Instrument Private Limited. So they are saying hello to their product. Now, new products. Now, these are the some products, hydrogen leaks detection sensor. So if suppose if you are using a vehicle which is powered by or fueled by hydrogen, then you can use such sensor which are developed by Honeywell. What is a detail of this component? Honeywell has launched a next generation hydrogen leak detector offering real-time detection of hydrogen leaks as small as 50 parts per million, ideal for hydrogen application in industrial, energy, and transparent sectors. It integrates seamlessly into storage, piping, generators, vehicles, so they can be useful for piping solutions, generator solutions, vehicles using advanced thermal conductivity detection technology. It ensures early leak identification, enhancing safety. And if you want to know more about it, you can go into the website honeywell.com USEN. So they have developed some sensors which can detect the leakage of the hydrogen gas when you're using it as a fuel or some other agent. Now the first GaN transistor with diode. So they have developed GaN transistor with diode. You can read more about it. Low power microcontrollers. This is important. Let's read it. Renesas Electronics has launched the RA0 RAO E2 group microcontroller expanding in the RAO Nord series with low power, cost-effective solution for application like consumer electronics, small appliances, industrial controls, building automation. They are software compatible with RA Nord E1, easing hardware software reuse across embedded platform. So Renesas Electronics have developed some low power microcontrollers, and you can read more about this from these two particular from the website of the Renesas.com. Now the power management IC, another update is 2.5 kilowatt DC to DC converter. So they have developed Navitas Semiconductors have developed 2.5 kilowatt DC to DC converter, and those who are working in the field of DC converters can get into more details from this particular article and the website given as below. Now there is one more advertisement from JC Electronica Private Limited. They are building some solutions. I think they are looking some design, manufacturing, and distribution solution, and also some biomedical solutions. So you can go into the details of the JC Electronica Private Limited, and the website is known as www.jcelectronica.com. Now, We have some automotive products made in India, drones for defense. As you all know that people are more and more working in the field of drones. So even I'm in IIT Mandi and we have a drone lab also here. So we are developing, and the government of India recently launched a Didi drone program where ladies are trying to control the drones, and they are learning how to uh, drive the drones and how to build them for the future technology that we are dealing with. So government of India is also working for the made in India drones for defense. So these are the defense for the drone. 1.5 megapixel global shutter sensors. So they have developed some centers, OmniVision. So the website is known as www.ovt.com. You can go into the website and check more about the 1.5 megapixel global shutter sensor. Now let me read it. OmniVision's OX Not 1 NB is a compact 1.5 megapixel global shutter image sensor. So it is a sensor which is optimized for automotive driving monitoring system, DMS, driver monitoring system. So it is a like you can understood by the driver monitoring system, like even the Tata trucks have some kind of a sensor placed just in front of the driver. So it is giving feedback to the system whether the driver is sleeping or he is not sleeping, or whether he completely active or he is not completely active by the eye blinking features, rashes on the face, the facial expression, whether he is happy or sad. Suppose he is happy or she is happy, then it gives a feeling to the system that the driver is in the completely active mode. If the expressions are crazy or lousy, then the system will give the feedback that the driver is not perfectly fine. He needs some rest before the driving. So these are the systems which are optimized for driver monitoring system. Now coming on to the next product, these are the 1.2 kilowatt silicon carbide MOSFETs. So they have developed silicon carbide MOSFET. You can go into this website normispower.com. This is the website. You can go into this now. Wi-Fi temperature and humidity sensor. So this is a good article for me because I am working in the field of sensors. So I'll be happy to read it. Now coming into that article, Wi-Fi temperature and humidity sensor. Numato Lab Sense Connect RST modules enable real-time temperature and humidity monitoring via Wi-Fi. So they have developed something. They will use a Wi-Fi signal to measure the temperature and humidity inside a chamber or a room. Ideal for application in smart homes. So they have application in smart homes, agriculture, industry, environment monitoring. It complex design support, cloud integration, MQTT, REST APIs for seamless automation. The module suits greenhouse, warehouses, offices, smart cities, easy to configure with AP and STA modules, application identifier modules. STA module, it offers secure data access by HTTPS and WEF interface, ensuring flexible remote environmental tracking across platform. So it is a complete integrated sensor which gives you a feeling from the Wi-Fi and the feeling of the temperature and the feeling of the humidity. So it is a good news for the people who are working in the field of sensors. Now, another sensor, we have torque and angle sensors. We have torque and angle sensors like this. So launching AI-powered advanced automotive test equipments, ATE QMax V456. So this is another advertisement from the Omax Test Equipments Private Limited. So this is I think it is a good news for the people who are working in the test equipments or things like that. Now, moving to the next product, embedded Android 15 RISC 5. They have developed an Android 15 RISC 5 AI supercomputer. They have developed AI supercomputer 65 to 70 watt USB-C modules. So they have developed USB-C modules, C module, fuel test stations. And this is look at this particular image. This is looking very good. This is the TDK. What is TDK? Let's see. Super solution from advanced metering infrastructure. So they have developed the metering infrastructure. These are the solutions for the metering devices who are working in the field of meters, advanced metering solutions. You can go to the website. They have office in Noida, Bengaluru, and Mumbai, and these are the telephone numbers. And this is the website for the people who want to dig in for the metering solutions and the metering infrastructures. So the company name is TDK. Now, embedded security test bench. We have security test bench for the embedded lead-free solar paste. You can have this particular article as well, and you can read more about it. This is looking good. T&M for power electronics. Design engineers in e-mobility, renewable energy, AI data centers can view from ROS and SWAR's advanced T&M solution designed for efficient, reliable power electronics, their tools. Roads and swaps. So they have developed some system like this. As you can see in the figure, there is a kind of sensor which is giving input to the its reading device. Then it is giving back to the output stream, which is looking like a DSO, and this is a kind of a power supply. So you can dig in more about this TM for power electronics. Now, tools to improve supply chains. Bosch has launched Supply Chain Studio, a cloud-based platform announcing supply chain visibility and operations. Key application include transports, booking for services, discovery and tracking, warehouses, booking with the bidding system for storage and smart warehouse for digital task execution. Bay and yard manager optimize truck flow and dock access, while the e-distributor platform manages B2B orders and sales channels. So they want to improve some supply chain solutions. So Bosch has developed some tools for the supply chain management system. And if you want to dig into the more, and it is its ERP is like Tally, and it aligns with the India's Gati Shakti initiative. So they have taken some initiatives for the Gati Shakti initiative, or they have taken some inspiration from the Gati Shakti initiatives. Now, coming on to the next page, we have the one more advertisement, Univine cables. So these are the cabling solution from Univine cables. They have cables for the UPS battery, UPS inverters and wiring. They have battery tank interconnection, aircraft wiring. So they are providing wires for the aircrafts as well. Military applications, panel board wiring, household panels, electrical motors, transformers, solar powers. So they are providing wiring solution for the electric motors, transformers, solar powers. And they're also working in the field of equipments, HVAC, diesel generators. So these are the things. So electronics. Now coming on to the next page of this, electrons 2.0. Yesterday, I asked you to get some bridge rectifier. Instead, you hired those guys overnight and rectified the bridge. So this is a kind of a cartoon which showing that one person is saying to another person that I'm give me some bridge rectifiers. So bridge rectifier is a device used for the rectification of AC to DC signal. So he was asked to work on bridge rectifier, and instead he hired some guys who rectified the bridge. And bridge is also a device for the civil infrastructures. Perhaps you can help with this. If I hit or damage myself, does that mean I'm strong or weak? So these are some of the cartoons that you can look into it. And let me read this cartoon once again. Sir, I had some free time today. So he's saying to his boss, sir, I had some free time today, hacked a few banks and transferred a couple of crores into your account. So I have hacked the bank account for you and transferred a couple of crores into your accounts. So the robot who is working as a gentleman for his company of the boss is giving some money to the boss by hacking. So these are the things which are driven by AI, and this can be a challenge for future whether to stop these things or not. So we are in a fight that whether AI can control our world or we will control the world of AI. So this is a constant fight. And according to my thought process, all those technology which are developed by humans can do some harm to human, but they cannot completely harm because ultimately they are developed by humans. So their boss are humans only. And rest depends on the future, how we play with the future and how we take our task into the future. So these are the things. So thanks for watching up to now. These are some more articles. Now we will continue with the third part in the next series. So before concluding this part, let's read it. What is APIs? APIs are application programming interfaces. helping application communicate and collaborate. So you can read more about this APIs in the next video that I will shoot for you. So that's it for the second part of the video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, comment about it. Do like the video, comment about it, and share about it. And I'd be happy to get some more comments, suggestions, and your future points so that it will help me to improve the further processing of the video. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.